This video illustrates the Route 22 and Interstate 376 Interchange Improvement Project. The current interchange is a substandard partial cloverleaf constructed in the 1950s. An innovative interchange design called a Diverging Diamond Interchange, or DDI, was selected to improve safety and accommodate future traffic demand. The blue arrow represents eastbound Route 2230 traffic crossing over to the opposite side or left side through the interchange area and back to the right side at the eastern interchange intersection. The green arrow represents westbound Route 2230 traffic navigating the interchange in the opposite direction. Here is a close-up of the western interchange crossover showing eastbound Route 2230 traffic proceeding toward Crafton. Opposing traffic is separated by a wide grass median on the right. Drivers will enter the I-376 westbound ramp toward Pittsburgh International Airport from the left lane. Here is a close-up of the eastern interchange crossover showing westbound Route 2230 traffic proceeding toward Montour Church Road and Weirton, West Virginia. Drivers will enter the I-376 eastbound ramp toward I-79 and the city of Pittsburgh from the left lane. This illustrates I-376 westbound ramp traffic to westbound Route 2230 progressing toward Montour Church Road. This movement replaces the existing loop ramp that currently queues onto I-376 during the evening rush hour. As you can see, the DDI is an innovative interchange that moves traffic more safely and efficiently compared to the existing interchange configuration.